Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how perfect squares and odd numbers are related and also about how perfect squares and triangular numbers are related. Let us take some consecutive squares and find their difference. Here I have taken some square numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. The difference between first two square numbers is 4 minus 1, 3. The difference between next two consecutive square numbers is 9 minus 4, 5. Then 16 minus 9, 7. Next 25 minus 16, 9. And 36 minus 25 is 11. We can observe here the difference in all the cases is odd. That means if we will subtract consecutive squares, then it will always be odd. We know that the first odd number is 1 and it's equals to 1 square. The sum of first two odd numbers is 1 plus 3 which is equals to 4 and it is square of 2. Sum of first three odd numbers is 1 plus 3 plus 5 which is 9 and it's same as 3 square. Sum of first four odd numbers is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 which is equals to 16 and this is same as 4 square. And sum of first five odd numbers is 25 which is 5 square. That means square numbers are always sum of odd consecutive numbers. We can see a pattern here. At first, one odd number is there and it is equals to 1 square. Next, sum of first two odd consecutive numbers is same as 2 square. Here, sum of first three odd consecutive numbers is equals to 3 square and sum of first four odd consecutive numbers is 4 square. And we can also see sum of first five odd consecutive numbers is 5 square. Now, here is a question for you. Can you find out the sum of first n odd consecutive numbers? Here, n consecutive numbers are there. That means answer is n square. Here is a question for you. Find out the sum of first 36 odd numbers. As the sum of first 36 odd numbers is asked, answer will be 36 square which is equals to 36 into 36 which is 1296. So our answer is 1296. Perfect squares can also be shown in pictorial way like this. First square number is 1 which can be represented as 1 dot. Second square number is 4 which is sum of 1 and 3 and these three dots are arranged in inverted L shape. Third square number is 9 which is 1 plus 3 plus 5 and we can see these 5 dots are arranged in inverted L shape. Next square number is 16 which is the sum of first four odd numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and here 7 is represented by inverted L shape. So like this we can use dots to represent odd numbers and we can also represent squares in pictorial way like this. Here I have taken a number and it's 25. Now I will subtract odd numbers from it. First odd number is 1. So 25 minus 1 is 24. Second odd number is 3. 24 minus 3 is 21. Next odd number is 5. So 21 minus 5 is 16. Next odd number is 7. So 16 minus 7 is 9. Next odd number is 9. So finally 9 minus 9 is 0. You can observe here I have subtracted consecutive odd numbers and finally got 0 in 5 steps. So we can say 25 is a perfect square and it's square of 5. Let us try with one more number. Here the number is 36. First odd number is 1. So 36 minus 1 is 35. Then next odd number is 3. So 35 minus 3, 32. Next 32 minus 5 which is equals to 27. Next we'll continue subtracting odd numbers. 27 minus 7 is 20. 20 minus 9 is 11. 11 minus the next odd number which is 11 is 0. So here also we got 0 in 6 steps. So 36 is a square number and it's square of 6. Let us try and check if this rule is applicable with 27 or not. 27 minus 1 is 26. 26 minus next odd number which is 3 is 23. 23 minus 5 is 18. 18 minus 7 is 11 and 11 minus 9 is 2. So we are not getting 0 after subtraction in this case. That means 27 is not a square number. If we'll try this with 38, here also final answer is not 0. So 38 is not a perfect square. Like this, we can find perfect squares by subtracting odd consecutive numbers starting from 1. Here is a question. If 35 square is 1225, find the value of 36 square. We know that 36 square is same as sum of 36 odd consecutive numbers starting from 1. So 36 square can be written as sum of 35 odd consecutive numbers starting from 1 which is same as 35 square plus 36th odd number. We know that 35 square is 1225. So it's 1225 plus 36th odd number. Now we have to find out 36th odd number. Here you can see a pattern. First odd number can be written as 2 into 1 minus 1. Second odd number is 2 into 2 minus 1. Third odd number can be written as 2 into 3 minus 1. Fourth can be written as 2 into 4 minus 1. Fifth odd number can be written as 2 into 5 minus 1. From this we can conclude nth odd number will be 2 into n minus 1 which is 2n minus 1. So 36th odd number is 2 into 36 minus 1 which is equals to 72 minus 1 and it's equals to 71. Now 36 square is 1225 plus 36th odd number which is 71 And if we'll solve this, we'll get 1296. So 36 square equals to 1296. Here is one more question. Find how many numbers lie between two consecutive perfect squares. Between 1 square and 2 square, there are two numbers. And you can see here, between 2 square and 3 square, there are 4 numbers. And between 3 square and 4 square, 6 numbers are there. Here, smallest number is 1. So 2 into 1, 2. That's why 2 numbers are there between 1 square and 2 square. Now between 2 square and 3 square, smallest number is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 numbers are there. Between 3 square and 4 square, smallest is 3. So 2 into 3, 6. That's why 6 numbers are there between 3 square and 4 square. That means if there are two consecutive squares, n square and n plus 1 whole square, how many square numbers can lie between them? Can you find out? It's 2 into n, 2n. Here is a question for you. How many numbers lie between 23 square and 24 square? Here smallest is 23. That's why answer is 2 into 23, which is 46. We are using here the formula 2n. Next question is, how many squares lie between 1 and 100? Here between is given. So we will not consider 1 and 100. If it will be given to find how many squares lie from 1 to 100, in that case we will include 1 and 100. So if it is given from and to, we will include 1 and 100. But if it is given between, we will not include 1 and 100. Now our question was, how many squares lie between 1 and 100? Let us count and find out. Here 8 square numbers are there. That means answer is 8. Now we will count how many square numbers are there between 101 and 200. We'll read about. Now we'll find out how many square numbers are there between 201 and 300. Let us count. It's 3. Between 301 and 400, 2 square numbers are there. Between 401 and 500, 2 square numbers are there. Between 501 and 600, there are 2 square numbers. And between 601 and 700, there are also 2 square numbers. Between 701 and 800, 2 square numbers are there. Between 801 and 900, 1 square number is there. And between 901 and 1000, it's 1. So 1 square number is there. Next question is, what is the largest square less than 1000? We know that 31 square is 961 and 32 square is 1024, which is more than 1000. That's why our answer is 961. Next, we'll read about triangular numbers and their relation with square numbers. Do you know what are triangular numbers? These numbers can be arranged in the shape of an equilateral triangle using dots. First triangular number is 1, and to get the next triangular number, we add 1 with 2, which is 3. And the next number is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So our next triangular number is 6. Next triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equals to 10. And the next triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and it's 15. So you can observe here, to get the next triangular number, we are adding the next natural number to the previous triangular number. From this, we can conclude that nth triangular number will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which continues up to number n. And you can see this is same as sum of n natural numbers. That's why the answer will be n whole into n plus 1 divided by 2. Let us take an example. If we want to find out the 10th triangular number, then 10th triangular number will be, here n is 10 and n plus 1 is 11. So 10 into 11 divided by 2. And if we'll solve this, we'll get 55. That's why the 10th triangular number is 55. Now can you find out the 100th triangular number? Solve it and let me know the answer in the comment section. Do you know how triangular numbers and perfect squares are related? Let us find out. First triangular number is 1 and it's equals to 1 square. If we'll add first two triangular numbers 1 and 3, we'll get 4, which is square of 2. Sum of next two triangular numbers is 3 square. Sum of next two triangular numbers, which are 6 and 10, is equals to 4 square. Sum of 10 and 15 is same as 5 square, and this pattern continues. From this, we can conclude that sum of two consecutive triangular numbers always gives a perfect square. Here is a question. Can you see any relation between triangular numbers and square numbers? Yes. If we will add any two consecutive triangular numbers, we will get a perfect square. Next, it is asked to extend the pattern. Here, consecutive triangular numbers are added to get the square numbers. So 1 plus 3 is 2 square, 3 plus 6, which is 9, and it's equals to 3 square, 6 plus 10 equals to 16, and it's same as 4 square. So the next number will be 10 plus the next triangular number, which is 15, and it's equals to 25. And this is same as 5 square. And the figure will look like this, where the right side upper part represents triangular number 10 and the left side bottom part represents the triangular number 15. If we'll combine them, the figure represents square of 5. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep smiling.